Hey everyone, welcome to my video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. So I purchased some hair paint wax recently because I've been wanting to try the hair paint in my hair. I'm super excited about this. So this video is just the unboxing, so we can say it's part one. I'll do a part two actually using the hair paint. But for right now, I just want to show you what I ordered because I've ordered multiple colors. So if you're interested in watching that, make sure to continue watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified each time that I post a video. Alright guys, let's get right into it. So the place I ordered this from is a website called Hair Paint Wax. And this is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this stuff with my own money. But it came in, this is what the package looks like. So they have these spray bottles, these what is it, 360 spray bottles on their site. I don't know if you can see because of the white box, but I've been wanting one of these for a very long time, so I went ahead and purchased this. So this is what the bottle looks like. That's what that looks like. So I'm excited about this because I have the kind of spray bottle that you have to keep pumping, and this one supposedly just like press it once and it continues to spray. So yeah, I've been wanting one of these. So I got multiple colors. Like I said, I got 4 different colors. So let's get right into this one. So this is the green color, and these are wrapped up in plastic, which is a good thing. So a little bit about the company. I did place the order about 2 weeks ago. They were pretty quick at getting me the paint. I think it took maybe about 7 days, maybe, I want to say. I'm not exactly sure, but it was not a very long time at all. Very good turnaround on their shipping, which is great. So this is the green color, and it has a foil seal on it. So I want to take the seal out because I want to see what the paint actually looks like get a good view of the color, and then I also want to see what texture this wax is so that I know, kind of get a better idea on how my hair should be when I apply it. So I've seen people apply the hair paint wax on wet hair, and I've seen them do it on dry hair. So I'm trying to figure out what the best method is for applying the hair paint wax. So if anyone out there has already tried this, let me know what you did and what worked for you, because I've heard some people say it doesn't go well if you do your normal routine. Let's say you do a leave-in gel and oil, it doesn't apply well when you do that together. So some people just kind of apply the hair paint wax by itself and kind of skip the leave-in and gel. All right, so this is taken, so I put my finger in, but okay. I'm gonna need some paper towel. Oh, that smells different. It smells like perfume. I thought it would smell more waxy, but it smells like perfume. It's a thin consistency, but it's creamy, so that's good. So I think this will apply well. I'm just trying to debate if I apply it on dry hair, is it gonna alter my curls? Is it gonna mess up my curls? Because this is a fresh wash and go, guys, and I don't really want to mess my curls up, but I will do that for y'all. Alright, so I'm just trying to get this foil off. Alright. Yeah, it smells good. It's like a perfumey smell. And that's what it looks like. It's a really bright green color. I don't want to get my camera all, but so there you go. It's a really nice green, creamy color. It smells good. I was not expecting it to smell like this. So yeah, that's the green one. I'm so excited to try this, guys. And I don't know, I'm trying to determine which color I want to try. So guys, if you have a suggestion on what color I should try first, let me know down below. I may try multiple colors at the same time because I'm that excited. So yeah, let's see. So this is the, what color is this? Silver. I got the silver. Because I don't know about you guys, I'm getting older in age and I'm starting to see my silver hair start to sprout out. So I figured I'd get the silver just to see how it would look with silver hair, because I plan on embracing my silver when it comes in. So I don't know if I may change my mind once it comes in and I don't like the way it looks, but I do plan on embracing it. Yeah, I'm not really with hair, like permanent hair coloring. I haven't done hair coloring in a very long time. I mean, it's been years. I think like high school. That's how long it's been since I've dyed my hair. See, taking this foil out is a little bit messy because the hair wax is like, you know, right on the foil. So just try not to be so messy. Trying to get it out. All right. Okay, guys. So this is the silver. It has the same color, same scent as the green one. Perfumey, kind of fresh scent. Smells good. So that's what the silver looks like. Ooh. Alright, I didn't know this was going to be so messy. I should have gotten some napkins or something. Yeah, but it's like, it doesn't feel like wax really. It's like a cream, but once it dries on your fingers, it does feel kind of waxy. But when it's wet, oh yeah, once it dries, it's like sticky, kind of like. When it's wet, it's just really, really creamy. Okay guys, and I can't remember if this is pink or purple. Let me check my packing slip really quick. It's pink. I wonder why I got the pink and not the purple, because I really wanted to try the purple. But it's pink. It's the pink one. I think I got this more so for my daughter because she wanted pink, and we're going to try it on her hair too. So that's why I got the pink over the purple. Alright, same thing. Got the foil. Maybe I should tap the bottom of the jar to make sure like the wax is not stuck to the top of this foil. It's just like getting all over my fingers. This is a really pretty pink color. I'm so excited about this. I figured this is something fun to do. We're all stuck in the house, nowhere to go. I wouldn't be able to color my hair these different colors, these bright colors, going to work. So I'm working from home, and so I'm gonna have fun with it. My kids are gonna have fun with it. We're all gonna walk around the house with different color hair. We're just gonna have fun. I think it's something nice to do during this quarantine, stay at home time. It's not like we're going anywhere. See, I'm trying not to waste it either, so I'm scraping foil. I do not want to waste any of this, because I don't know yet how much I'm gonna have to use. So yeah, that's the pink, guys. Oh, that's so pretty. Same smell. Yeah, but this could be like a kind of like a fuchsia. It's not really, it is pink, but it's got like a different tint to it. So yeah, that's that one. Right, and last but not least, I got the blue, because my son really wanted the blue and he wanted the green, so he got blue and green. This is a really pretty blue color. Look at that. Just some advice, be prepared to have something to like pierce the foil with, so you don't have to use your fingers, because it does get all over your fingers when you're trying to take this foil off. I do want to get into like how much, you know, each was not bad at all actually, the price. Alright, see, all over my hands. Alright, so this is what the blue looks like, guys. It's really bright, really pretty. I love this color. I don't know, I might go with the blue. This is really nice. I love this blue color right here. I think I might go with the blue. Guys, let me know down below what color you think I should use. Now that you've seen all the colors, do you think I should go with the green, the silver, the pink, or the blue? I'm thinking go rainbow style and just use all four, but I may just pick one. Comment down below what you think I should use. So guys, yes, like I said, the order was quick. It says here the order date was 4/8. I believe I got this last week. I want to say around Thursday or so, which was the 16th. So it didn't take very, very long. So the blue one was $6.99. The mist bottle that I got was $10. The green was $6.99. The pink one, I don't know why that one was $9.99, but it was more expensive than the other ones. And the silver was $6.99. So like I said, these prices for the hair wax, not that bad, but you get 120 grams. I want to say, I don't know how many ounces that is, but it looks about, what, 4 ounces maybe? So you get a good amount of paint for the amount that it is. It's not a bad price. Like I said, I've seen some for $12.99. I've seen some for $15.99. I just couldn't see myself paying that much for hair paint that's not permanent. It's gonna wash right off. I'm pretty much just doing it more so for fun. Like I said, I've wanted to try different fun colors. So that's what we're doing. I might do like this, we'll have a part 2 with putting this in my hair and just kind of showing you what the color looks like. And then I may do a part 3 putting the hair color on the kids' hair. So that should be really, really fun. So yeah, comment down below again what color you think I should put in my hair. And have you used hair paint wax before from this company? And let me know what you thought. Again, let me know what you did, how you applied it, and what worked for you. Because again, I've been watching videos and just trying to see how I should apply this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like I said, I'm super, super excited about the hair paint that I got, and I can't wait to use it and put it in my hair. So guys, stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.